So here we have our companion planting you would have just seen on the video. We're 4 weeks later and now this is what we have. So we've got lettuce and onion. They're together for the benefits of grubs or fungus that don't attack one another. Then here we got your broccoli and your lettuce, and they're together because we can harvest the lettuce in 4 weeks and the broccoli will take 2 months. Then the back here we've got our red lettuce and our spinach. We didn't have a real good strike in the middle there, but nonetheless I think they're starting to come up now. So what we'll do is we'll harvest the spinach and we'll let the lettuce grow through and flesh out. Through here we've got other seedlings. We're just about to, they're just about to come up and we'll plant them out at a later date. Now we'll grab these and we'll head out to the garden. So firstly I want to show you here what we planted last week. We planted these the same time as what we're about to plant out. Because these are just pure lettuce, they've grown a lot quicker and we've been able to get them out. We had to get them out last week, and you'll see that in the video. Now this one here, you got your red lettuce and your green lettuce, and as you see the green lettuce is a little bit bigger than the red lettuce, and that's probably a week's difference in growth by the time we end up harvesting. So what we'll do, let these grow up, we'll get a bit of a head on them, we'll cut them off, and then harvest the red lettuce later on, and that will let us utilise the soil to maximum of the capacity, all in the one paper pot chain. This is every second, as we just saw. Now we'll go across to what we plant today, and that'll be broccoli and lettuce, onion and your red lettuce, and your spinach and red lettuce, which we just talked about. So quickly, this is what we've got here. I've just got to set out where we want them. We'll get our planter, we'll set that in line. We've already set all this in previous videos, you would have seen that. So we're just going to drag that in a little bit. And just before the feet start closing in, I've got it sitting where I want it. I'm going to get my paper pots. If you've still got the end on your chain pots, paper pots, you just want to pull that off, which is, you just grab one side. It's good if you've got 2 hands, I'll just set it down, and that comes off simply like that. I usually take them off in the greenhouse because then you don't have this laying all over the field, but I'll just sit that there for now and we'll attend to that when we're finished. So back to our broccoli and lettuce. I'll just get the end of this out, get the right end, and there we have it. So you might have seen me use screwdrivers to stick these in the ground previously, but I found that you can just push this forwards a little bit, and as that closes in, you close your first one in and they'll start feeding out by themselves, and I find that's easy. You don't leave screwdrivers laying around and forget where they've been. So we've got that set right, and now it's as simple as just pulling.